Danny, hi, Soccer with Colonique, helping people do their business better. And today we're going to talk about the Jabra Evolve2 75 that I finally received. So let's go over it and then we'll get into what you really are here for, and that's to hear how well that microphone performs. There are 12 different variants of the Jabra Evolve2 75. They're available in beige or black, available in USB-A or USB-C, as well as UC and Microsoft Teams certified variants. Come in at an MSRP of $349 and go all the way up to $399 with the stand. All of them, because of the ANC, are dual ear headband style. So yeah, they're available in either A or C. So you can connect to your computer via the dongle or your mobile device via Bluetooth 5.2. You get up to 30 meters or 100-foot range, which again, we're gonna test. So here's where it's pretty awesome. So you get up to 36 hours with ANC off and up to 33 hours with ANC on. Talk time, you get up to 24 hours with ANC and the busy light off, and you get up to 18 hours with ANC or the busy light on. But even if you forget to charge for whatever reason, you can still use it as a corded audio device. And again, download Jabra Direct. It's absolutely free and it's gonna allow you to customize the headset. But let's just get this guy plugged in and let's do some tests. Stay tuned. So let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start typing. Talking and typing. All right, so there's that. Now let's just do the old TV test here. All right, so here we are. Of course, there's nobody talking. All right, so let's just crank it up. All right, that's extremely loud. This is the Jabra Evolve2 75. There's been an outbreak. Federal health experts. That is so loud. Oh my goodness. All right, so now let's just get into the blender. And you know, someone suggested that I put stuff in the blender so that you know that it's actually on. So looking at that camera, looking at that camera. So that's what I did. And I got it cranked up all the way. So let's take a look and see what happens here. Here we go. So test 2. This is a test of the Jabra Evolve2 75 versus a blender over here. Let's play some dogs barking. Ready? Here we go. That's really loud. Jabra Evolve2 75 versus some dogs in here. The other thing that I want to test is just a quick range test. Again, it's Bluetooth. I know it's designed, or it claims up to 100 feet. However, anytime you're introduce walls or any other wireless devices, Bluetooth devices, um, you're not going to get the range that's claimed by the manufacturer because that's just how wireless works. All right, so let me take my phone here, and we're going to go on a little field trip in my house. So right here, we got about 12 feet, and let's keep going. Run into my kitchen area here. This is about 25 feet or so, and we're going to head out over to my front door here. So this is 55 feet. All right, so sometimes you want to step outside, especially when you live in a beautiful place like Florida, where the weather is absolutely perfect and fantastic right now. I think it's like, what, 76, 77 degrees out here. There's a nice breeze. However, I do live near a busy road, and so there are cars zipping by. Of course, every now and then Otis back there will start barking at who knows what. But having a active noise canceling headset like this from Jabra really helps to you focus, and then also the people on the other end of the phone call or video call can focus on your voice only, and you can work literally from anywhere with the Jabra Evolve2 75. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, tell us what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.